Welcome to the Bead Bar in Orlando, Florida. My name is Sonia, and today on Expert Village, we're going to show you a few of the different glass beads that are available. Before we get started, just to sort of mention a few, glass beads come from all over the world. Some of the larger producers you're going to find in China, the Czech Republic, Italy, Japan, and in fact, what I'd like to do is maybe show you a couple of the different types of glass beads. Let's start off with first some of the manufactured beads. Over here we were talking about India, and you'll see that these are some of the beads that were produced in India. You're going to find them in all kinds of different finishes, shapes, colors. Here we have sort of a matte brushed finish. These are a little shiny. Over here we have some of the beads from the Czech Republic. Okay, again, these are going to have a little bit of a cut to them. These have a little bit of a frosted finish on them. You can also find some of the glass beads that will have this wonderful mix, which gives you a lot of options when you're designing some of your jewelry. Okay, and here's another one. It's got sort of a little silvery mirrored finish, and that can be a lot of fun. They are going to come not only in different sizes, but the way that they are sized is by millimeter. So when you go into a bead store, they may ask you what millimeter you need. So you do need to get a little familiar with the sizing of the different glass beads. You can also find some lovely vintage beads. These are all pre-World War II. Now these right here are the Flamework beads, and these come out of China. And you're going to see that they have a lovely silver lining on the inside, which really helps lift some of that color out. And that can be a really fun element to work with. And some of these beads here are some of the handmade beads that come out of the Czech Republic. And over here we have some of the glass beads that come out of Italy. They call those Venetian beads, and those are all handmade. And then, of course, I have to show off some of the handmade beads that we do here in the U.S. And these are by some wonderful local artists here. A few of the different varieties of some of the glass beads that you're going to find, so happy beading.